So, initial first impressions for the black AirPods Max 2 from the Apple Store, and this is actually my first AirPods Max, so I'm glad I waited it out because it works well with just using one cable USB-C. But to be honest, if you had the AirPods Max before, there's like no point in upgrading because it's almost the same device. I never had one. That's why I bought it. I bought it because having the USB-C is pretty convenient for me. In terms of how it fits, my head, when people said it was a bit heavy, I didn't think much of it actually, because to me, I have a big enough head where having the headphones isn't too big of a deal. So it does feel good for me. And then in terms of the build and the finish, obviously it's a more premium device, so it does have that premium finish on it. I got the black over the gold color one. This is the metallic, I believe, I forgot the name. Starlight or moon. This is the moonlight. That one's the starlight. Because a lot of my fits, a lot of the fits that I wear are darker, so I just wanted to match the fit with this. Yeah, so and then this is the case that it comes with. But yeah, that's it for this. That's it for this initial first impressions. Just being honest with you guys, just if you had the AirPods Max 1, just don't buy it. If you have extra money to buy decent headphones and really premium headphones, then obviously go buy it. But it's very unnecessary. It's a bit pricey too, but I'm gonna make a whole video on everything, every use case I have for this and how it feels, because I do wear glasses too. So people with glasses know it's a bit different when you're wearing glasses and when you're not. So yep, I'm gonna